Good morning, students. Welcome to chemistry class. We are doing chapter hydrogen. In this video, we will discuss about isotopes of hydrogen and chemical properties of hydrogen. Study about isotopes of hydrogen. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number. There are three known isotopes of hydrogen, that is protium, deuterium and tritium, with atomic masses 1, 2 and 3 respectively. The most common is the ordinary hydrogen known as protium. It consists of one proton in the nucleus and an electron revolving around it. This isotope, that is protium, constitutes approximately 99.985% of the total hydrogen which is present in the nature. The second isotope of hydrogen is called deuterium or heavy hydrogen. It consists of one proton and one neutron in the nucleus and an electron revolving around it. It constitutes only 0.0156% of the total hydrogen occurring in the nature. And the third isotope of hydrogen is called tritium. It consists of one proton and two neutrons in the nucleus and an electron revolving around it. It constitutes approximately 1 into 10 raised to power minus 15% of the total natural hydrogen. Tritium is radioactive and is represented by the symbol T. Now let's discuss about the physical properties of dihydrogen. It is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It is only slightly soluble in water. It is lightest of all the elements. You can see the density, it's very less. It is diatomic in nature and it has low melting and boiling points. Now let's discuss about nuclear spin isomers of dihydrogen. In a molecule of hydrogen, the electrons of two atoms always have opposite spins. But as per protons are concerned, the spin of the proton may either be in the same direction or in the opposite direction. So depending upon the spin of the protons, there are two nuclear spin isomers of hydrogen, that is ortho and para hydrogen. When the spins of the nuclei are in the same direction, then dihydrogen is called ortho hydrogen, and when the spins are in the opposite direction, then dihydrogen is called para hydrogen. At room temperature, a sample of ordinary hydrogen contains 75% of ortho hydrogen and 25% of para hydrogen. When temperature is decreased, the percentage of ortho hydrogen in the mixture decreases while that of the para hydrogen increases. Let's study about chemical properties of dihydrogen. Dihydrogen is inflammable or highly combustible gas. It burns with blue flame in the oxygen atmosphere. On burning, it produces or forms water. Dihydrogen combines with highly electropositive matters, that is alkali and alkaline earth matters, to form colorless solid, that is electrovalent compounds known as hydrides. In the ionic hydrides, hydrogen shows -1 oxidation state. You can see the reactions. With transition matters, dihydrogen may form hydrides known as interstitial hydrides, in which hydrogen atoms, because of their small size, occupy interstitial positions in the metallic crystal. Known matters like halogens, dioxygens, sulfur, dinitrogen directly react with hydrogen under definite set of conditions. You can see the reaction of hydrogen with oxygen, hydrogen with nitrogen, and then hydrogen with sulfur is there on the slide. As per halogens are concerned, dihydrogen readily combines with fluorine even in the dark, while combination with chlorine takes place in the presence of sunlight or on heating. With bromine, reaction takes place on heating only, and with iodine, presence of a catalyst is required. Unsaturated hydrocarbons combine with hydrogen in the presence of a suitable catalyst to form saturated hydrocarbons. So this reaction is known as hydrogenation reaction. The unsaturated fats are changed to saturated fats in the presence of finely divided nickel, that is, on hydrogenation, unsaturated oil is converted into saturated fat.